If the current copy of your AhsayCBS users.xml file is corrupted, or if you accidentally deleted a backup user account from your AhsayCBS server, or if some of your backup user accounts are missing, then follow these steps. Before we begin, the users.xml file is compressed and backed locally automatically at 6 a.m. daily in the following location. Under Drive C, Program Files, AhsayCBS folder, Conf, and Backup. These files are stored locally and it keeps a maximum of 24 copies, 7 daily copies, 5 copies of Monday of each week, and 12 copies of first Monday of each month. If the auto-save feature is enabled on AhsayCBS, then the file will be automatically uploaded on the Ahsay license server. Each of the zip file contains the following folders: conf and policies. To recover the users.xml file, first, open the Services app, then stop the Ahsay Cloud Backup Suite service. Then, go to the Backup folder, Drive C, Program Files, AhsayCBS, Conf, and Backup. Copy the users.xml file from a previous backup. We will select this one. Then select Users and copy it. Then we need to paste this inside the conf folder under the AhsayCBS folder. Then, start the AhsayCBS service. Then log into the AhsayCBS Web Management Console using the system account. Under Backup and Restore, click the Users, Groups, and Policies tile. And under the Backup User, you'll see the list of your backup user accounts.